Welcome to our second video of Unit 8, which deals with surface area and volume. This video talks about the medium level questions for surface area of cylinders. If you have your note sheet out, we'll be in this upper right-hand corner. Just like with the prisms video, there's a spot for you to write down your formula, and we'll have some worked examples. I've got 2 of them on this video for you. So this is what a cylinder looks like. You have 2 circular faces that has no edges or vertices. Vertices, remember, just the corners. So here's our circle. We got one down here. We got another one up here. Those are our bases. Then we have this part that goes around the side. Now in this medium video, we're just going to talk about the lateral area. Now the lateral area would be like, think of the soup can label, the label on a soup can. And that's just the part that goes around the outside. So just this part that goes around the outside right here. And if I were to cut that label off and lay it flat, it would give me a rectangle that looks something like this. Now, this part down here is the part that goes around my circle at the base. And if you remember, the area or the circumference of a circle is that going around the outside of a circle. So I'm going to start with pi times the diameter. Now in this example they give us over here, they only give us the radius, and remember that there are 2 radiuses to make a full diameter. So if I just get the radius, I'm just going to double it. So we have pi times the diameter, that gives me this. And then this part going up the side would be the height. So I'm going to multiply that by the height. And that would be my lateral area. And from this point on, I'm going to use LA to denote the lateral area, similar to what the surface area prisms video used SA for the surface area. So here's our first example. We're finding the lateral area of the cylinder with the height of 4 meters. So I'm going to write that in, 4 meters. And a radius of 2 meters. Now, if you remember, the lateral area is pi times the diameter times the height. So I'm going to double this 2 to get my diameter of 4. So I've got pi times 4. My height is 4, so another 4. Now on delta math, you're going to be asked to use 3.14 for pi. And then whatever you get for an answer is what you will type in the answer bar, which according to my calculator is 50.24. Now, if you remember, surface area is a 2-dimensional measurement, so we're going to have meters squared as our units. For our second example, we're asked to find lateral area again. This time we have a height of 7 centimeters. And a radius of 4 centimeters. So once again, lateral area is pi times the diameter times the height. So pi times my diameter this time would be 8 because I need to double the 4. And I'm going to multiply by the height of 7, which would be 3.14 times 8 times 7. Which gives me a total of 175.84. And then our units are centimeters squared. You now have everything you need to do the lateral area questions, which are the medium questions on Delta Math, so head on over.